It's Thursday and I'm meeting an old coworker at Big Bowl for lunch and I'm so excited! Yay, Big Bowl! So I may or may not have gone to Taco Bell for breakfast, which is also lunch. Yeah. But I had no idea their iced coffee was so good. Fun fact of the day. Can you hear that? That's a train like a mile away from my house. I'm trying to nap, and this is what happens. I didn't really film much today or yesterday because I was at the sample sale, which is basically like an apparel sale that my aunt runs 3 times a year. I'll link the website and the Facebook page in the description below, because if you like cute clothes for cheap, you should go to that. Yeah, I'm gonna try to go back to my nap now. I feel like our kitchen is a representation of our life. A complete disaster. What's up, HUMPLOAD? Good evening. It is Saturday, and I'm about to go out to the Aquatennial fireworks with my coworker, Lindsay. Lindsay is one of my super hot friends, and I'm excited to go out with her because when you can't get boys to go out with you, go out with your friends. I don't know. That's sad. Okay. Do you want to be together? Or do you want? Okay. This is my hot friend Lindsay. Hello. She's the hottest person I know. You should date her. We're going up 28 flights of stairs. It's so much harder than a Stairmaster. We can do it. It's like we're getting a workout and drinking. Okay, 14 left. 2 more and that means we're half, right?
No, it's 28.
I can't do math. Wisdom for the fans.
28 floors. Climbing is a lot harder
than you think. This bitch is in shape.
I am.
And we're
I have a personal trainer and I'm only halfway there.
Wine time. And they're playing Let It Go. That's awesome. Love. You like corn on the cob? Is that good? Eat your corn. It's Tuesday and I'm at West End and I'm gonna go get happy hour with some of my old coworkers. Yay cocktails, yay appetizers. I sound like a housewife. Yay. It's been a pretty boring week, so sorry to drag you into this, but you chose to watch it.